Nitro come in and me house come try this time.
I explain Nitro because they must to me. Look how long me and Nitro live for 3 years now. I mean,
you find out the stinking pops. I suck with Jaden. I can't go and question you. Jaden, we spit in your face and miss you personally. So me stay. Me just walk up to you and spit in your face. Yeah? Because I want to come here so I can't question my daughter. I can't ask my daughter if Nitro tries to fuck her. Yeah? Me talk to my daughter, me tell him to stop me. Nitro come and give me that. And he still trying to get Nitro down my house. Look how Nitro come at me yard.
Look how me defend Nitro. Jenna me defend Nitro.
Yeah? Look how much time Nitro coming at me house. And you me up with him. I mean, not a baby because me tell him say you never be fuck Nitro. And I 2 years straight Nitro come at me yard contaminate me. When I tell my swear to God, me make up my mind say me don't kill Nitro. You hear me say? Let me tell you say, stop your Nitro come at me yard. If the piranha looking boy could have talk the truth and tell him say me hate him. Me never want him on me yard. Here I beg me daughter for not there with Nitro. I can't Nitro come on me yard same way. He coming at me house. I see him so me begging of the talk to him. Boy about you just say you hide that talk to him narcissist boy. And what boy do? Hey boy tell me like me just like what Nitro I do now. Nitro, if me see you, me say if God in your pocket, you can't escape me. Nitro, if me see you, if God in your pocket, Nitro, you can't escape me. I don't do time for you. My mommy tell you that here. Oh.
Jenna, look how me and Nitro live 3 years now. Jenna, me nah expect Nitro to come bring me down so. Me nah expect Nitro to come bring me down so.
Just bring me down, just tell me I knew.
Nah, expect if you go to them and some here to me, mommy, I swear to God. Me nah expect Nitro to do them and some here to me. And the man up on the social media make up.
Why you hide up a batty man up on the life for? Why you hide dirty batty man Jaden and suck good box on the life for? Eh? Why you hide up on the life for? You know say that this thinking why you have no respect for you know me? Why you hide Jaden? Pops are so good and Jaden are so good. Why you hide them on the life for?
Me know say they don't like me, then just want me add them because disrespect me.
But I don't know where you add them on the life for? Why you add so good Jaden on the life for so good Pops? Why you add them on the life for? You know say Pops are so good and Jaden? Eh? Why you add them on the life for? Eh? Me tell you say you don't talk to them, I don't be stinking drunk whenever you see you talk to them. Me tell you say you don't talk to them. I you still talk to them.
Me know say they don't like